From the very beginning, I knew I wanted to be a chef. My father had restaurants. He's kind of passed that passion on to me. I've never done anything else. It's what I've always wanted to do. It's my whole entire world. I've always known that food was my way of showing what I love about life. I actually get asked all the time, how are you so skinny as a chef? There's that old saying, like, don't trust a skinny chef. That's long since passed. The reality is that I know what's going into my body because I know where my food's coming from, I know what's going into my food, and I know what's being done to my food before it becomes my food. One of the things that I've always loved about Blendtec is the product itself forces you to not just open a can or a jar. It honestly forces you to think, I gotta make this from scratch, whether it's dressings, sauces, soups. The blender gives me the ability to make fresh tomato sauce. So I just roast the tomatoes, then throw them in the blender and I have it smooth, perfect sauce every time. And then peanut butters, instead of just buying a jar from the grocery store, it's just as easy to buy peanuts, roast them yourself, throw them in the blender, and it's healthier. The kids love it. The kids are like, that's what peanut butter is? It's also making it easier. Like, people are afraid of the kitchen because they think there's so many steps or it takes so long. The blender cuts all that out. I just have found such a respect for moms who make things from scratch and cook for their families. It's not easy. Men and women have lots going on these days, whether it's working or trying to get the kids to school and taking care of the household. And when mom and dads take the time to like stop and really do it the right way and not just open a jar or a can, I feel like the next generation is gonna benefit from that because they're gonna expect quality food that doesn't come out of a can or a jar. I really wanna be able to get moms and dads excited about cooking and not be afraid of it and get them in the kitchen so they can cook for their kids.